Hello, hello. First time trying fast fuel chicken Katsudon. Yes, love those reduced prices. Okay, this has been microwaved, mind you, so it does look a bit mushy. But still, let's give it a go. Not bad. Oh, second attempt. Not bad, it's still quite hot. Well, for me, 4 minutes was quite long enough in the microwave. Does the job. Okay, and as Captain Picard would say, Earl Grey tea hot. Good morning to you all.